stuff is available back there in the corner. I'll come and meet you back there after the show. We'll talk it up, have a beer, tell a joke, and forget about it and all that stuff. But besides my stuff, you're also guaranteed to hear some of Dad's. Is that okay? So let's go ahead and do one. This is from 1989 off the Powder River album, my personal favorite album. A song called Sons of the Pioneers.
Are holding on, you glad to hear. Being kept alive by the sons of the pioneer. Got a young cowboy up in old Montana, boots and spurs and a black bandana. Ain't rising wild prairie round those steers. He's like his daddy, he's the son of the pioneer. Well, Texas clear up to Idaho, from the mountains to the plains. They got the blood of Crockett and Geronimo flowing through their veins. Well, the wild old west to make a change in some, but tradition that perseveres, being kept alive by the sons of the pioneer. Let's swing that, boys. She likes roping and dancing and things like that. And if you need a hand at your brand, then she will volunteer. And she's a wild prairie flower and a daughter of the pioneer. He's got brains and a hand with an eagle feather. Rides wild broncs and there ain't none better. And his great granddaddy was a chief on the wild frontier. And he's a proud son of the original pioneer. Texas clear up to Idaho, from the mountains to the plains. They got the blood of Crockett and Geronimo flowing through their veins. Oh, the wild old west to make a change in some, but tradition it perseveres, being kept alive by the sons of the pioneer. Being kept alive by the sons of the pioneer. Let's get it back on the road again. And once again, it's great to be back in Texas. So this is kind of a love song for the road I wrote quite a while back. It's on the first album. Me and Mark Sissel over here on the guitar wrote this one together. It's called Brother Highway. Been like brothers with all the miles and time we spend together. Yeah, we've seen it all. We've both seen changes in our time, busted dreams and detour signs. We keep rolling on. interstate or an old dirt road. You're in my blood and in my soul. I was born to drive. On the open road is where I belong. If I'm with you, I'm never alone. Within your long white lines. Brother highway, we've seen it all. Through the wind and the rain and the snowfall. No matter how far I roam, I need you, brother, to get home. And there's no place else I'd rather be than back at home with my family. I keep my suitcase packed, 'cause you and I know it won't be long. Those humming tires, the lights on, they keep me coming back. Brother highway, we've seen it all. Through the wind and the rain and the snowfall. No matter how far I roam, I need you, brother, to get me home. I need you, brother, to get me home.